Firas Al-Niaimi, consultant dermatologist based here in central London. Today we were going to be performing some botulinum toxin injections, not just for bruxism, but it's also very good for slimming the face, where if the face is a bit wide or square faced or round face with strong masseter muscle function, then injection of botulinum toxin into the belly of the masseter muscle eventually can lead to slimming of the face. Sometimes that needs to be combined with fillers in the chin or the cheek, but the patients can have great results from the effects of the botulinum toxin in slimming of the face.